Don't say it, don't think it. Follow the
This message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. At 8:12 p.m. on Thursday, local police departments reported that the dead were reanimating and attacking everyone living in the surrounding vicinities. Barricade your homes, get all the food and drinks you need for 14 days, get a battery-powered radio and flashlight, and turn off power to your home. Only go out outside the curfew hours, which is from 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. If possible, get access to a firearm to defend yourselves. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of local civil authorities. At 1:24 p.m. on Saturday, the military engaged the undead and attempted to push them out of the immediate area. They failed to accomplish this mission. This is a complete lockdown until local authorities or the military come to extract you. The Air Force will commence an airstrike in 45 minutes. Stay tuned for further updates.